Welcome to Mista. This is another tutorial of how you can send outbound SMS in PHP. The first thing we need to do is to access documents. And then you go through the documentation and itself is clear enough. For outbound SMS, you need to go to send plain SMS, and down there you can see different sample codes in different programming languages, and of course we choose PHP. We copy it, paste it in your preferred code editor. We are going to change phone number to your recipient phone number. If it's a phone number, use that. And send ID, this is alphanumeric send ID. In our case, we're going to use Mista, but of course you have to request yours. You can change this message, but you can even leave it like this. After that, you need to use to paste their API key, which will get it from your dashboard. And then from there, you need to log into your dashboard, your Mista account, and go for developers. Under SMS API, you will generate your API key, and remember to update. Copy it and remember to update. After you copy that, we talked about send ID. Here you can put alphanumeric send ID. Remember, you cannot exceed 11 characters. We have limited to 10 characters to be safe. You can put your company name, your brand name, or anything. In our case, we use Mista and request that. Someone from Mista support will confirm that. You get SMS notification. And then when we have our send ID, it is Mista, and API key is pasted. We are going to create a directory, and we call it Mista. I'm using examp. You go in htdocs and you create a new folder and you save your file in PHP to be executed by PHP. And then we save the file in name of send sms.php. After that, everything looks good. This is now our time to test SMS. You go access localhost Mista and then click the file. This is a response. It is telling us successfully send, and also return the balance. Here our SMS is. The previous SMS was a confirmation of send ID. The second is our SMS. Thank you for watching.